Hello everyone. Today we are going to create this landing page with the help of basic HTML and CSS. If you are here to learn this landing page, then you need to know some basic HTML tags and CSS properties. If you don't know, then let me know. I will tell you and I will recommend you a good channel. And if you guys want from me, then I will teach you some basic HTML and CSS so that you could understand very easily. So this is for those who have already done the basic HTML and CSS. And today we are going to create this landing page right now. I think in one video we are not going to create the whole part because it will take lots of time, and of course no one is going to watch that long video. So in this video we will just structure whatever we are seeing on the screen. We will structure, we will not put the text, images, etc. right? We will just structure like what we will what approach we will use here, and that's all. So let's see what approach we will see in this landing page. First of all, this is the, you can say, parent page or you can say main page. This one you can see, right? And inside this parent div or you can say main page, we have this part which is, you can say, top part, where you can see the multiple of images, couple of images you can see there. And now then you will divide one more section which will be for the ABCD A to Z, right? And this will be the dot section where you will see the two images and their texts. So the thing is that how we will create that. So first we will take that div, right? We will take that div, then we will divide into three parts: top, middle, and bottom. You can see inside in the bottom we have here it has divided into two parts. First one that image, and second one that image and text. And then you can see in that right part, you can say right div. This one is left, this one is right. So in this right div you can see it is also divided into two parts. First one is image, this image. Second one is these two text, right? And these two text, this div is also divided into two parts. First one is this one, second one is this one. So how we are going to create? Yeah, you will, if you are here for the first time, then you will see some amazing stuff, and you guys will think like, hey, you are an instructor or you are any kind of teacher in any college, institute, anywhere. So no, I'm just a student, and I'm a learner. I'm just practicing and I'm just boosting my confidence in this way. And then one more thing, my English is very bad, so I'm practicing my English by making the videos in English language. So that's the reason. Okay, so let's go for the approaches. So first of all, for creating the landing page, we need to make an HTML file. That is, I have already created. If you don't know how to create, then I will tell you. But in this video, I have just created this HTML file, right? This is a CSS file. So before writing the HTML code, we need to write HTML boilerplate, right? So how we can write the HTML boilerplate? As we are writing a code in a VS Code, right? So VS Code provides a boilerplate, HTML boilerplate, or in other platform we need to write the boilerplate. But here we will just use shift plus 1. We will get the exclamation mark, and then we will just enter. You will get the boilerplate. This is known as the boilerplate. If you guys don't know what is boilerplate, then yeah, I'll tell you later because I have to learn as well. No, I have learned already. That's why I'm teaching. That's why I'm making this video. So here in this video, we are not going to do here and there any extra thing. We are just going to make this landing page quickly, right? So this is the boilerplate, and as we know, we write the code inside the body. So first we need to link the CSS to our HTML page. So let's do how we can do that with the help of link tag. We always link our CSS code just before the close head tag. You can say this is close head tag. This is the symbol of close, that /. This is the symbol of close. So this close head tag, just before the close head tag, we link our CSS file. So what is the name of CSS file? It's style.css. You can see we have this link, and if you want to check out, then let me show you. So we will take first a main page. Main page means nothing, just a page where we will write our code, and inside that main page, nothing. Just showing you how we can link our CSS. So we need to write the boilerplate of CSS as well. So start, yeah, if you guys don't know what is boilerplate of CSS, then of course in this video we are not going to learn those things. So I will tell you in any separate video where you will get to know that what is the boilerplate of HTML and what is the boilerplate of CSS. So right now I'm writing the boilerplate of CSS, right? So first we will take the margin. Put 0. Margin 0 means we want the whole page. We don't, by default, web browser, by default web browser contains some spaces, keep some spaces from the whole side, like top, bottom, left, right, everywhere, right? So I want to say margin 0. That means, hey, I don't want to keep any margin. I just want to write a code from the top without any margin, right? So that means we will use padding. Padding, I will also put 0. Padding is basically margin. Always we can take margin between the You can say margin always use for the outer element, like this is the top part. Just I will tell you with the example later, right now you will not understand. So padding 0, box sizing, border box. Now we will write the HTML body, and here we will say, hey, width I want to keep it with 100%, sorry, percent, not dollar. Height, oh, height 100%. Right now we are going to write a main page, which we have taken already, main page, with 100%, height 100%. Now for the checking out our pages web browser, which HTML CSS both are connected each other or not, we will put the background. For example, I'm putting orange. Let's see. You can see our page has already connected, right? So now we are moving to the next part. So first we will take that part. We are not going to take that whole body. We will we are going to create this landing page as it is. So we are going to take a div which size will be something like this. You can see, right? So let's go. Sorry, inside main, we will write the code, which is like okay. So what is it? Main div. Yeah, main div. Okay, main div. Inside the main div, as I said already, like we are going to divide this page into three part, right? Top, middle, and this one is bottom part. So let's go. So we will take top, right? We will take middle. We will take B, O double T O M, bottom, right? So I have already now come to the CSS code. Now just we have taken the main div, right? And main div will put width something like 80%, not 80%, 70%. Let's see, 70%. Height, we are putting 100%. Okay, yeah. And background color something like just we are taking violet, whatever you can take. So we need to put main div. We need to put that main div into the center, right? So we will apply the center code, and you can see how. So first, if we want to move any div from here to there, then we need to make that div absolute position absolute. Yeah, we have one more option, but we are using here position absolute, this way, position absolute. If you are using position absolute to the any div, then you need to make the position related to their main parent div. So you can see its parent div is main, so we will make it what relative, right? Now we need to apply the center code. If you are putting top, because we have taken the div 100%, that means we don't need to put the top. So top we will put 0, right? Left we will put 50%, and what, transform translate -50 comma -50. So here you can see. Now you can check out. Here we are. You know why it's over? Oh, sorry. We want to put the code into the center, so we need to use 50%. Now you can see, yeah, we created that one, right? We created that part. Already. So now we need to create top, bottom, middle, and bottom. Let's see how we are going to create. So we have already written the HTML code. Now we need to write in CSS. So top. Oh, sorry, my typing is very worse. That's the reason. Width you will take 100%. You know why 100%? Yeah, I will tell you. Height something we are going to take 10%, and background color we are going to take white. Okay, my spelling not good. So let me show you. This is what we are going to take, right? So why we are taking the width 100%? Because we are going, this div is 100% width. That means this div is from here to there. That is 100%. Height we took it's 10%. Something we just guessed, nothing. We don't know the real height, so we just guessed it can be 10%. We will manage according to the situation, like how much we need and how much we need to put the height width, right? So we are going to put this div. Okay, not here. We have created top, and now we are going to create something like middle, right? With 100% this time also, and the height something like we are going to take 3%. Oh my, yeah, right. And background colors we are taking gray for a while. After that we will manage the color and all. Now we are going to create the bottom part. Bottom width will be 100%, and height, sorry, height will be something like we have took already like 3%, 10%, 20%, and we are going to leave 7%. We are going to leave some spaces for the gaps. You can see this gap, this gap, this gap. So we are going to keep some gap. You can see I need to enhance. Let me check. We will take it 50%, 15%, and this one will be 8%, something like this, and 15 and 23. So we need to 15, 8, 23, and we have left 77, right? So we are going to put 70, 65, something like that. Let's see. Background color. Background color. We are going to take brown till now. Till then, not till now. Till then. Oh, it's still left, right? So the thing is that it's still left. So we need to. Okay, it's looking fine. I think. Yeah, it's good. I think this space should be more. Okay, let me do it. Is it good? Yeah. Now we need to we need to create this space. This space you can see. So how we can create that? Let's see. We will put some code. We will write some coding to the main div, and this is its main div. So for example, align items, center, display flex. You can let me see. Yeah, you can see something like that, because display flex always push the element from into the besides, like here to here, right? So when we will write the code, flex, not flex ring, it should be flex direction column, then I think you will see something like that. But still we didn't get, because we need to apply justify content space between. Now see, yeah, we got the gap, we wanted, right? That two gap we wanted. Is it good? You can see here. Yeah, we were talking about this gap, right? So we have created already. You can see this gap, and this is the div, this one. You can see, right? Is it? Yeah, so let's go. Now we will create this part later. First we are going to divide this space in this video only, and in the next video we'll try to cover up all the left rest thing. Okay, so in this video we are going to create this part. So let me do it some other color, because it's looking like not good, you can say. So main div should not violate, it should be something like that, and we should keep it yeah, this is the gap, I think we should put it 10%, and we should put it 20%. It's a little bit more. Yeah, it's looking good, I think. Yeah, good. So this is all about this 3D. Now we are going to work on the bottom div, right? So we will divide, let me show you. We will divide this page into two parts first, left, right. Okay, so this left part, this right, and you can see the gap between both, right? So this is not a gap, we are not keeping this gap. We will cover this all, because I have just created this one because there was something more here before, right? So we are just creating this part. Let's see what we are going to do. We will create that bottom part into two parts. So btm, not btm like this, btm left, right, btm right, you can see, and we'll move to the css. So btm left, we will keep the width something like not 100% this time we'll take 70%, something like that, and height something like 100%. Background color will take something this color, you can take any color, but we will manage it later. Right now I'm just copying this one, Control C, Control V, and we will make it left to right, and this one should be 25. Background color I'm going to change, and something like this, you can see. Can't you see? Let me check. Yeah, so you can see this, that second div is coming below that div, right? Yeah, because yeah, let me fix it, because when you are taking this, and then it always comes one below one, that means one after one, right? So this is the rule. This is our already div, I mean this is the main div for these two. This is the parent div. So for putting, or you can say for making that div aside, so you can say we need to put something to their main div, and this is display flags. Now you can see, yeah, and this is the gap you wanted to create, right? Let me check. Is it looking? Yeah, it's looking very. We need to manage something more. It should be 65, and we are going to take it 30, not 33, 30. That's looking good. So display flex, now we want to, this is the gap, this is the rest part of this, parent div. So we want this gap between these two elements, right? So how we can do that? It's easy. Just we will put the main div, parent div of these two div, like justify container space between. Now we can see, got it? Now we need to, now we have done this part and this part. Now we can see this right part is also divided into two parts, right? So let's do it. So how we can do it? BTM right part is divided into two parts. So we will name it BTM right top, right, and BTM right bottom. Okay. Bottom. So BTM right top. We will copy this code for, yeah, but this time we need to put the width 100%, and the height we will take something like 70%. Color, so that it could look different, this color. Now Control C, here we go. So I need to change the color of this div also, so it should be, because we want some differences between these two divs. We want to see those divs in differently. So this is what, and sorry, with 100%, right, but height should be 30%, not 30%. We need to put it something like 25%. You can see. Oh, need to refresh it. Let me check. Oh, sorry, bro. We need to make it bottom. If you guys didn't get what is it, tell you later, right? This one is top part of right part, and this one is the bottom part of the right part, and this is the gap, which is the gap of parent, right? Now we want this gap in between this, right, these two elements. So how we can do that? Simply, as we have done already, we will put the display flex, and then flex direction, not flex only, flex direction column, align item center, and justify container space between. You can see this gap between these two elements, all right? So if you can see, if you are able to see, we have created the structure. This part you can see, this part, and this part, we have divided all those div. No, we need to divide this div in a two part as well, right? So how we can do that? Let's see how we can do that. This part, okay? So this is the bottom right, and we will divide this one into a two part, something like we can name it anything, but it's already a long name, so we need to change. So BTM right, BTM top. Yeah, this is a long name. You can put anything for your betterment, for your understanding. I'm just putting anything what I'm feeling like, right? BTM. If you are not getting the name, you can put anything for your understanding. Right? So we have created this one. We need to go. So this is a very long name, so I'm going to copy so that I could not make any mistake. Width should be something like 45%. Height should be 100%. Background color should be red. Yeah, purple, anything you want. I'm copying this code. I'm just pasting so that the thing could be quickly. And bottom, we have to change the name bottom. Width, let it be 45%, and height 100%. Color should be something different, and the different means something like that. You can see now we need to put this div in beside of this div, right? So how we can do that? Just put that code, not that code, for putting the div. Let me show you something. If you want to create vertical gap between two elements, then we will simply put display flags and justify content space between, right? But when we want to create this gap, you can see this gap between these two elements, you can see the horizontal gap, then we need to implement then we need to write four properties, and which I have written already, so you can see. So right now we need to we need the vertical gap, right? So what we will apply, we will apply is just simply this display flags, so that element could be beside each other, right? So display flags and justify content space between. Now you can see we have created that part. Now in the next video we will we have created the structure part. We will put that text images so that the thing will be look like this. Are you getting me? So till now we have structured that landing page. You can say we have just created the structure of that landing page, because if we are doing the complete landing page, then video is gonna be long, and I don't want to make that long video. And hey, you guys, let me know what the level of my English, how I'm speaking, how much I need to improve. So this is all about this video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.